Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Android hotspot disconnecting. Well, as you can see, you may face a situation where the Android hotspot repeatedly switches off when you're trying to use it. So if that happens to you, here are some solutions you can try to fix the issue. So number one is you need to restart your Android device. So sometimes the data connection is lost while using your Android device as a hotspot. So since there is no data, it causes the hotspot to stop. So if this happens, an obvious first step is to restart or reboot your phone to restore affected feature apps and other processes. So you just tap and hold the power button, and then as you can see the reboot option right here. So tap reboot or restart your computer. Now the second one is to verify hotspot and network settings. So if you go and tap and hold this hotspot icon, you'll find portable hotspot. You need to make sure that you turn on this portable hotspot right here. And then here on setup portable hotspot, you can set up your settings, your network settings. So it will not be stopped when you're using this hotspot feature. Or right here, if you see this turn off hotspot automatically, as you can see right here, turn off hotspot automatically when no devices are connected. So, and most modern phones will automatically turn off the hotspot when a device isn't connected after a specific duration. So this could be causing your hotspot to keep turning off. So you need to make sure that it was turned on, or you can set up this turn off when no device connected for 20 minutes or more. Now the third solution right here is to disable battery saver on Android. So if your Android hotspot keeps turning off, the battery saver option could be the culprit. And the feature limits certain apps so you can make it through your day without charging. However, this helpful feature isn't advised while using your phone as a hotspot. So all you need to do right here is just to turn off this battery saver on your device. Now the last solution that you can do is update your device to fix your Android hotspot keeps turning off. So all you need to do is go to your about phone, and then you need to find the system updates right here. And then in addition to updating your phone's operating system, you should update apps on Android. So sometimes apps that access network settings and run in the background could be causing the hotspot to quit. So after updating everything, try your hotspot to see if it keeps turning off. So that's how you basically fix Android hotspot disconnecting on your Android phone. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on our next video.